Welcome back to the channel. If you are trading on Deriv and you are tired of staring at charts, analyzing ticks, and stressing over manual entries, you need to see what I have lined up for you today. In this video, I am putting an incredibly powerful auto trading platform called Pivotcore.net to the ultimate test. We are going to run the highly popular digit differ strategy, and my goal today is bold. I am going to let the bot place 10 automated trades, and we are aiming to walk away with 9 solid wins. Stick around to see exactly how this works and why this might be the only tool you need. For anyone new to this, Pivotcore.net is an absolute game changer for Deriv users. It is designed to take the emotion, the hesitation, and the guesswork completely out of your trading. Instead of clicking manually, this platform seamlessly automates your strategy with pinpoint accuracy. Today, we are focusing on the digit differs market. As you probably know, with digit differs, we just need the last digit of the exit price to not match our predicted digit. It already has a massive win probability, but when you combine that edge with the lightning-fast execution of Pivotcore, it becomes a completely different beast. I have my Deriv account linked up, my stake amounts are set, and my parameters are locked in. Look at how clean and intuitive the Pivotcore interface is. I am firing up the bot right now. Notice how instantly it analyzes the market ticks and executes that very first trade. And just like that, boom, there's our first win. It's completely hands-free. I'm not doing anything. While we sit back and watch the screen, the algorithm is doing all the heavy lifting, scanning for the absolute best entry points to make sure we hit that target of 9 wins. We're halfway through our 10-trade run now, and the results are already speaking for themselves. Just watch how effortlessly the system moves from one contract to the next. This speed and discipline are exactly why so many manual traders are switching over to automated platforms. You do not have to stress over sudden market spikes or second-guess your strategy. Pivotcore is following our exact digit differs rules without a single moment of hesitation. We just hit another green profit, bringing us right to the edge of our massive 9-win target. And there we have it. The bot has officially closed the session. Let's look at the history. Out of 10 trades placed entirely on autopilot, we successfully secured 9 wins, exactly as we planned. The consistency here is just incredible. By letting Pivotcore handle the execution, we capitalized on the high win rate of the digit differ strategy without any of the typical trading anxiety. The proof is right here on the screen, and the platform handled everything flawlessly from start to finish. If you want to transform your Deriv trading experience and start running automated, stress-free strategies just like this one, you need to head over to Pivotcore.net right now. I've left a direct link right down in the description below. Go click that link, connect your Deriv account, and experience the power of automated trading for yourself. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more profitable bot strategies, and let me know in the comments what strategy you want me to automate next.